Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to achieve financial freedom through smart investing. Investing is not just about making money, but it's also an art that requires strategic planning, disciplined approach, and informed decisions. In today's video, we will dive into the topic of financial freedom and explore the art of smart investing that can help you build wealth, secure your future, and live life on your own terms. So, whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, this video is for you. Let's embark on the journey to financial freedom and learn the key elements of smart investing that can transform your financial life. Let's get started. Imagine having the financial freedom to live life on your own terms, traveling the world, pursuing your passions, and achieving your dreams without being burdened by financial stress. It's not just a dream, but an achievable reality through the power of smart investing. Investing is a proven way to grow your wealth and build a secure financial future, and it's never too early or too late to start. In this video, we will explore the art of smart investing, which goes beyond just picking stocks or funds, but involves a comprehensive approach that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. So let's dive into the key elements of smart investing and learn how to achieve financial freedom through wise investment decisions. The first element of smart investing is setting clear financial goals. Before you start investing, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a home, funding your children's education, or planning for other long-term goals? Understanding your goals will help you determine the right investment strategies and time horizons. Once you have defined your financial goals, it's important to set realistic and achievable targets. This will help you stay focused and motivated on your investment journey and track your progress over time. The second element of smart investing is understanding your risk tolerance. Every investor has a different risk tolerance, which refers to your ability to withstand the ups and downs of the market without getting emotionally overwhelmed. It's important to assess your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. If you have a high risk tolerance, you may be comfortable with more aggressive investment strategies that have higher potential returns, but also higher risks. On the other hand, if you have a low risk tolerance, you may prefer more conservative investment strategies with lower risks, but also lower potential returns. The third element of smart investing is diversification. Diversification refers to spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to minimize risk and maximize returns. Diversification is a crucial strategy to manage risk in your investment portfolio. By diversifying, you can reduce the impact of poor performance of a single investment on your overall portfolio. It's important to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The fourth element of smart investing is having a well-defined investment strategy. A well-defined investment strategy helps you stay disciplined and focused on your long-term financial goals, rather than getting swayed by short-term market fluctuations or emotional decision-making. There are various investment strategies to choose from, such as buy and hold, dollar-cost averaging, value investing, and many more. Each strategy has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to choose the one that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The fifth element of smart investing is keeping costs low. Fees, commissions, and other costs associated with investing can eat into your returns over time, so it's essential to be mindful of these costs and keep them as low as possible. And that wraps up part 1 of our video on financial freedom, the art of smart investing. We've covered the first 5 elements of smart investing, including setting clear financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your investments, having a well-defined investment strategy, staying informed and educated, managing your emotions, and being patient and committed to your investment plan. In part 2, we will dive into more strategies and tips for smart investing, including how to analyze investment opportunities, assess risk, and make informed decisions. We will also discuss the importance of monitoring and reviewing your investments regularly and making adjustments as needed to stay on track towards your financial freedom goals. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss part 2 of this series. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll be happy to address them. Stay tuned for part 2 of Financial Freedom, the art of smart investing, coming soon. I'll see you in the next video.